So before I start this video, I want to show you guys something very cool. Here it is, my new lamp, this Himalayan salt lamp. This is very cool. You see how like look, I just think this looks so cool, man, and I've just been in love with this. Yo, what is up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is a bit different from my normal e-commerce dropshipping videos, but it is actually a very important topic that I'm going to be covering today, and it's all about mindset. In my opinion, I think that one of the biggest factors to success in life is mindset. I think that I can give you tools and everything that you need to know to make $50,000 a month, but if you don't have the correct mindset to make $50,000 a month, you won't make $50,000 a month, all right? So I think a lot comes down to mindset, and you might be wondering, all right, why is that? And that is because, you know, your beliefs and what, you know, your limits and all that good, like all that stuff that's in your head, that little complicated thing right there, your head, man, you know, that is so important, like the thoughts that's going through your head, some of the beliefs you have. So the mindset is so important when it comes to you making certain decisions or you taking certain actions, taking risks, right? So let's talk about the mindset today. People that stick around and actually watch this video, you're gonna enjoy it a lot, and I just think you're gonna learn so much. If you wanna be successful, if you want a certain result in life, you're gonna have to have the right mindset to achieve that, right? So you can't be successful with a shitty mindset where you have a lot of limiting beliefs and your thoughts are always negative. So one thing I always say, or one thing that I try to do, and what I've been doing recently, is adopting a success mindset, right? So one thing I've been really doing is being more positive as a person and having more positive thoughts and trying to remove the negative thoughts. And I'm not on some motivational woo shit when I'm like, yo, just be positive, everything will be all right. But it's like, you know, life is definitely negative. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that having the correct mindset or the positive mindset will serve you in a better way than if you were someone that is negative, right? So me being negative has never served me in the right way. I've never been more happy. I've never achieved more results just because of a negative thought or because I was in a negative mindset. What actually happens is, so me, myself, right, I have a short temper. So what happens sometimes is that little things tick me off. And, you know, those little things that tick me off, what that does is kind of fuck me up because I'm like thinking negative shit the whole day, or I'm not productive because I'm thinking about just different negative stuff, right? So negative things have never served me in the right way, so why the fuck would I think negative, right? So try to stay positive, guys. So what I wanted to actually share with you guys is, you know, the past week, what has happened to me and my life is that it has exponentially changed, and, you know, in a good way. Financially, everything's just been way better this past week, and I believe that it's because of some of the new thinkings and new mindset and the new paradigms that I have adopted in my head, or just new type of thinking that I've adopted in general, right? So I really wanted to share it with you guys because I really think that it's gonna help you. So the first thing I did is really not give a fuck about 90% of things in life. If you guys know me, or, you know, most of you might know me, might not, but I just don't give a fuck about 90% of things in life, and I never did. And, you know, but still, there was times where little things used to piss me off. And what I've done recently is really become aware of that and make sure that that doesn't try to get me in a bad mood or in a negative situation, or just that is not a dominant thought in my head. And that is because what I've realized is that 99% of the things in this world don't matter. Don't let what she said, what he said, what's in the media, what someone did to you, you know, don't let that affect your mood. Because listen, man, shit's gonna happen to you anyway. If you're gonna be in a negative fucking shitty mindset, man, that's just whack. And if you're gonna ponder over it, you're gonna waste a lot of time and energy, right? So don't fucking worry about that. 99% of the things in this world don't matter. And, you know, I'm sorry I'm swearing so much, but it's just something I'm kind of like passionate about, or just something that I really believe in when it comes to mindset. It's like, yo, most things don't matter, man. Stop worrying. So another big thinking that I adopted recently is this whole concept of being so self-aware of myself, right? That is like almost scary, like being so self-aware of who I am correctly and my goals and what I have to become to reach that goal. So me right now as a person, what are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? What are my good habits? What are my bad habits? What are some things I do on the daily? What are some thoughts that I keep on having in my brain? You know, and when it comes to goals, what do I want in life? Where do I want to live? How do I want my daily life to look like? What do I want to look like, right? Do I want a long hair? Do I want short hair? What kind of clothes do I wear? How do I carry myself? What are my character traits, right? So being so self-aware of that, that it's like at a point where I don't know, man, like just being so aware of it has just changed everything for me, because now when I'm doing something, it's like also realizing, right, that let's say I have a bad habit or a weakness, realizing that I have to get rid of that weakness or that bad habit to become the person that I want to become, to achieve the goals that I want to achieve in life. Because think about it, guys, and this is something that I've learned recently, is that you got to be focusing more on who am I becoming rather than who am I, right? Because maybe, you know, what got you here won't get you where you want to go, and everyone says that, and it's true, right? So your thoughts right now, your belief, your identity of yourself, you gotta remove that, right? Don't be like, oh, I'm an introverted person, whatever. Like, don't think like that. Don't put a limit on yourself. So really just have a greater thinking and just be more open-minded, and just think that who do you have to become to get that success that you want in life. And once you're aware of who you have to become, work towards that, right? Get rid of the weaknesses that don't really serve you well. Don't do those things that, you know, you have a bad habit of doing. So that's a big thing that has really changed my mindset and how. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is like my third time filming this shit, and the battery died in the middle of me recording. So I'm just gonna end this video off by saying this: be very clear on your goals. Worry about who you're becoming rather than who you are currently. Don't give a fuck about 90% of the things in this world, man. And you know, as you see right there, I got a picture of Michael Jordan to remind myself every day of what type of mentality and what type of action that I have to take to become or achieve some of this success, right? So what I'm trying to really say is, guys, you know, go get that fucking money, right? Or go get that success, or go get whatever your goal is. So that's it for this video, guys. And also, man, make sure you're surrounding yourself and having conversation with people that bring you up, that don't bring you down. And honestly, man, cut people off, bro. I fucking cut so many people off. I cut people off like every day, all right? So, and I'm not saying that to be cocky. I'm just saying, man, if they're not serving you in any way or not making you a better person, don't have them in your life, right? So that is it for the video today, guys. You know, this is like my third time recording this shit, and the third time it died. But that's it for this video, guys. You know, Michael Jordan says what's up. I'm out here. See you guys later. Peace. Shout out to anyone that joins the Splash Fam, or I guess that's what we're calling it, Splash Fam. And you know, make that money, you know. And another thing before we go is read books, invest in yourself, buy courses, whatever the fuck it is. Go get that money. Success, you know, a lot of people overcomplicate a lot of things, but you know what to do. All right, so see you later. Have a great day. Follow me on Instagram at SplashMyPB, and I'm out. Peace.